The standard fantasy ESPN app is fine for checking scores, but it sucks at answering the real questions, like who actually has the best running back room, or which team has scored the most fantasy points but still has a losing record. I wanted deeper analytics, so I built a custom AI agent that scrapes the entire league, analyzes every single player and every single roster, and answers the complex questions in plain English. I used AI to write the code, and it only took around 10 minutes. Here's what I did. The secret sauce is this ESPN API that allows us to access the fantasy football statistics and information. The only things you'll need are your league ID, the current year, your SWID, and your ESPN S2. So these are your cookie values and then your special identification number. You can find it in other parts and other discussions, but you will need those before continuing on because that helps you authenticate into your league to get your specific information. So within this, what's important is this player class. Here's all the information about all the available data within the player class, and it's the data dictionary, so you can see the data name and then the type. And then you're also looking at this team class where you can see stuff like team name, team abbreviation, points for, points against, and all the other good data, metadata that you want to see. So what we're going to be doing is called context injection. So I'm going to take the variables from this players class and from the teams class, and I will take them, put them right in here into, this is Workbench. It is the tool that is designed to allow us to use any AI model and produce something cool. So we are going to create a prompt that says, I'm asking the LLM to create a Python Streamlit application. That's just a front end that we use to manage all the packages. The LangChain Agent is most likely going to be using OpenAI, where I have a private OpenAI key ready to be used. In the past, I've gotten my league ID, my SWID, and my ESPN S2 value, so I'll be able to easily log in once I download all this information. So let's look at this. Prerequisites, you'll need to install this. Copy this. Make sure everything's installed. Then we're going to create a new app. I noticed that it says the application uses 2024 by default. Let's just change that real quick. 2025. We call it the ffagent-app.py. We held everything. We're going to do streamlit run ffagent-app.py. Pretty cool. Okay. Gonna get our please configure your league to begin. Looks like here are all the values that we were requested earlier. So I put in my SWID value, my ESPN S2, my key, MID, let's see. So now that I have a supercomputer analyzing my lineups every week, does this guarantee I'll win the championship? Probably not. But at least I know when I lose, I can blame it on the AI instead of myself. Links below. Good luck.